Bill of Rights, Minnesota Department of Health. Other rights. The narrator appears.
Hello and welcome. This video is brought to you by the Minnesota Department of Health. We are going to show viewers like you about the rights people have when living at group homes and residences that are supervised. You have the right to your own money. You have the right to your own friends. And you and your family have the right to take part in resident advisory and family councils while living in your group home.
Other rights, your money.
If you are able, you have the right to manage your own personal finances. This means you can keep track of your own money, have your own bank account, and pay for things with your own money. If you are not able to manage your own personal finances, your group home staff can manage your money for you. You have the right to have a record of your finances when someone else manages your money for you. You must be given this record at least every 3 months.
Other rights, your friends.
You have the right to meet with your friends and family, and you have the right to have them visit you in your group home. You have the right to participate in social, religious, and political activities. The staff may not get in the way of your meetings and visits, as long as these meetings and visits do not affect the privacy of the other residents and they are safe for you and the other residents. Your friends and family can also call you at your group home. When you move into your group home, you or your guardian can decide who can be told about where you are living now. Your guardian will work with you to make this important decision so that you are safe. Your guardian will help you decide which friends and family will be able to visit you.
Other rights, advisory councils.
You and your family have the right to set up and participate in resident and family advisory councils. An advisory council is a group of people who also live at your group home. The council helps staff understand your needs and preferences. Your group home must give you a space and help set it up. Staff may only come to the meeting if they are invited by the council. Resident and family advisory councils can recommend group home policies. A staff person must be assigned to answer any written requests from the council.
Know your rights.
If you want to file a complaint or report suspected maltreatment of a vulnerable adult, call the Minnesota Adult Abuse Reporting Center, MAARC, at 1-844-880-1574. Staff are available to take your call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Minnesota encourages good faith reporting of suspected maltreatment of vulnerable adults by any person. If you make a report, your identity is confidential and cannot be released without a court order.
You can also go to the Minnesota Department of Health website for a full list of the Bill of Rights for supervised living facilities and other videos. www.health.state.mn.us. For Minnesota residents, contact the Office of Ombudsman for Mental Health and Developmental Disabilities, OMHDD.
Know your rights. If you or someone you know is in need of legal aid, the Minnesota Disability Law Center, MDLC, provides free, civil, legal assistance to individuals with disabilities statewide on legal issues related to their disabilities. Abuse and neglect issues are a high priority for the Minnesota Disability Law Center. For assistance, visit the Mid-Minnesota Legal Aid Minnesota Disability Law Center website at www.mylegalaid.org or call 1-800-292-4150. You can also reach the Minnesota Disability Law Center by email at mndlc@mylegalaid.org.
Minnesota Department of Health, www.health.state.mn.us.